Pork party ribs smoked low and slow on the Traeger Woodridge Pro. What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. And I wanted to give you a recipe that you can bring to any potluck and have people flipping out. Pork party ribs, smoked low and slow. Oh, buddy, finished with the perfect sauce. These are delectable. Let's start from the top. Take a rack of ribs. In my case, I'm actually using 3 racks of ribs, and we're going to slice them into individual portions, okay? You don't need to remove the silver skin for this recipe. This is all just about individually portioning out those rib bones, making sure you're slicing in between, trying to make sure each bone has a good amount of meat on there. That's what we're really looking for today. Clean cuts. Just be patient here. Get all these broken down, and then we're going to get to seasoning. But before we do that, this is what we're looking for. A nice little cut rib, simple, delicious. Silver skin can still be on. If you pull it off, that's perfectly fine as well, okay? So let's get this seasoned. Today I'm using Heavy Hands Hank's Sweet Rub. And man, oh man, this barbecue rub is perfect with pork. I love sweetness with a good pork dry rub. And this obviously nails it because it's the sweet rub. But guys, seriously, liberally coat those pork party ribs that we sliced up in your bowl. Give them the old wang jangle. We want to move them around, get that seasoning evenly distributed before we go in with another round of seasoning, okay? It's really important here, be liberal when you're seasoning. At the end of this, I'm going to just show you in a moment, we want them to be fully coated. That means every nook and cranny. Now, don't worry about that membrane on the bottom. If you don't have seasoning on that, I'm not too worried about that. But as you can see here, this rib is fully coated. That's what you want. Okay, now put all of them onto a wire rack. That's going to save your butt. You can move everything at once with the wire rack. Simply lift it, put it onto the barbecue. When they're done, lift it off. I highly recommend using a wire rack here. But we're going to set the barbecue, any pellet smoker, up to 225 degrees. And we're going to smoke these low and slow. If you want, you can actually run it a little bit hotter, 250 or 275. It just means your cook time will be a little bit shorter. So I leave it for about 2 hours. And as you can see here, we're getting some beautiful bark forming. That dry rub has tacked up. It's looking absolutely spectacular. You can see a little bit of bone pull on some of these pieces of ribs. And my golly, it's looking perfect. So let's go ahead, pull them off, move them into a tinfoil tray, and we're going to throw down a number of knobs of butter, just nice and quick. Then throw down some Heavy Hands Hank apple butter sauce. I've been really enjoying this sauce. It's actually the last little bit of it that I got. My goodness, was it scrumptious. So put a little layer on top, cover it with tinfoil, then it goes back out on the smoker at 225 degrees for anywhere from 30 minutes to about an hour or so. We want to just let all that butter, that sauce kind of incorporate there. And you can see just leaving it on the smoker is all you have to do. And the result, sticky, icky, delicious barbecue pork ribs. Oh man, my mouth is watering just remembering how delectable these were. That apple butter sauce tacked on beautifully. This was seriously delicious, layered in flavor, and just spectacular. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below if you love pork party ribs. Let me know what you think of this recipe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. We're always just having a great time. Thanks again for watching, guys. It means a lot. Take care, stay safe, and have a great day.